Hi digital marketers, hope you're well and thank you very much for watching another video from PPC Kingdom. Today we're going to check how to link GA4 to Google Ads and import the events created into GA4 into Google Ads. And now, without further ado, let's check how to link GA4 to Google Ads. So, as a first thing, if we want to import the event from GA4 into Google Ads, we need to make sure that GA4 is linked to Google Ads. You have two ways to link GA4 to Google Ads. The first one is directly into GA4. The second one is directly into Google Ads. Let's start with GA4. First of all, you go into the admin tab and then scrolling down, you go into product links and under it, you can see Google Ads links. Now, I've already linked my PPC Kingdom account to the GA4 account, and it will look like this once you do it. But if you want to do it from scratch because it's not already linked, you just need to click on link. Then select the account that you are interested here. Click on next. Click on next again under configure settings. I'm not doing it because I don't want to show the name of my clients. And then submit in the third tab. It's very, very easy. There is nothing complicated. Just do it. The other way is to do it inside Google Ads. You will go into your Google Ads and on the left hand side menu, you will click on Tools and inside Tools, you will have Data Manager. You click on it. In this case as well, I've already linked Google Ads to GA4, so you can already see it here. But eventually, if you needed to do it from scratch, you go below and inside Feature Products, you will find the label Google Analytics GA4. You click on it and then you select, similar to what you do in GA4, the GA4 ID. Very easy, it's not complicated, there is nothing to worry about. Just go down here, click on GA4 and then find the GA4 ID. Now, how do we import events visible in GA4 into Google Ads? So, first of all, on the left-hand side, we go into the admin tab and we scroll down and under data display, you click on the tab events. Now here, there are two distinctive tabs that we have discussed in some of the video in the past. One is key events and one is recent events. You may remember that we have already said that to import an event visible into GA4 to Google Ads, it needs to be a key event. In order to have an event marked as key events, whatever events it is, even if it's created directly into GA4 or if it's created in Google Tag Manager, it will be visible in recent events. Now, as you can see in here, we have some events where the star is dark and when the star is blank. When the star is dark, it means that is a key event. When the star is dark, it means it's not a key event. Now, for example, let's make a test with a form start event, which is not at the moment a key event. We will click on the star. And if you go into Key Events tab, you will see that now Form Start has become a key event. If you want to remove it, just click on it, and it is no longer a key event, but you can actually see it inside recent events in case you want to add it back. Now, the next step is to go inside Google Ads again. Once you are in Google Ads, you will click on the Goals tab on the left-hand side, and then you will go into Summary. Once you are in here, you scroll down and you click on Create Conversion Action. Here you have different ways to create goal, but in this case we are importing the events from GA4 into Google Ads. So very simple, you click on import, you select Google Analytics 4 properties, you select web if it's web and app if it's something that you are importing from Firebase, for example if you have an app, and you click on continue. Now here you can see the form start that I just added from recent events to key events, but also other events that I created in the past and hadn't imported into Google Ads. So for example, invitee event type page, invitee meeting scheduled, invitee select day, and invitee select time. You may remember that these are events from Calendly into one of my previous videos. Now, what just you need to do is import and continue. You click on done. And if you scroll down, you will see them in here. This come automatically as an account default goal, but while in this case I want invitee meeting schedule as a default goal, I don't want, for example, the invitee event type page, invitee select day, and invitee select time as an account default goal. So what will I do is I will click on edit goal, and I will change it from make this an account default goal to none. And I will also change them to be from primary to secondary, just if by chance in the future this will be used as an account default goal. So I will set up the system already to have them as a secondary goal. We are now at the end of our video, and thank you very much for watching it, and we hope that you will find it useful for your setup into GA4 and Google Ads. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to us, it costs nothing to you. And thank you very much indeed, and see you next time on PPC Kingdom YouTube channel. Goodbye.